Hey guys, welcome to my channel, Less Cooks More. My name is Les and I created this channel for a couple of reasons. Really, I needed a hobby during the pandemic and just something that was drastically different from my day job. And then I also really wanted to expose my family to new foods because they're all pretty picky. And I've never been that person who's always in the kitchen cooking and learning from your relatives. For me, it's my grandma, my mom, and my aunties. I was in the kitchen, but I was eating, not cooking. But that's okay because it's allowed me to be more open-minded and not as rigid because I didn't have these preconceived notions of what every dish was. And so that brings in new flavors, textures, aromas, and I just try new things out with them when I'm cooking. And with that comes sometimes mistakes, so things don't always turn out perfectly, but that's the way it goes, and that's the type of content that I have on my channel. So it's really just me trying out new dishes, a little bit of how-to, and I hope you like it. Thanks for watching.